Because Maslow says that the physiological needs must be fulfilled before you take them to the next level. If the physiological need, you ask him why he did not go to the 10th floor of the law building, wonderfully constructed new building, but 10th floor, they have to climb. Physiological needs will be barrier, there will be a barrier. So first thing, let us keep in mind that when you are attending a parent or a student or any guardian, make sure that their physiological needs are fulfilled. And if you look at the pyramid, physiological need has more space, which means, and it's a beautiful design he gave. More, it requires more. You have to offer a bottle of water. Just ask, would you prefer to have a glass of water? Or make sure the peon, the office boy, they should serve a bottle, water or a glass cup of water, whatever. But make sure physiological needs must be fulfilled. What else we can have under the physiological needs? Can you just think of? When you are interacting with the parents, people, first impression, and Maslow says that their physiological needs must be completed. एक बार physiological needs met हो गई, so now he does not get motivated by that. If you offered a glass of water, now water will not be enough now. Dil mange more. So Maslow says that next level. Now the next level will be his motivation. And what is the next level? Safety. Safety, security. I saw many parents, they came outside and they were not entering this room. They were feeling insecure. They were talking, tuja, main bahar hu. They need to feel safe, secure, personally, psychologically. We need to tell them that don't